Oh, the girls like their grapes, I tell you. We give them a little snack when it's so hot. It's 90 out today. And in the afternoon, they know that when they come out, because we only let them out when we're here, that they might get a treat. And today they're getting grapes. So in the mornings, we give them lettuce in the composting area, and then we give them the grapes in the afternoon. They're so funny. They just love grapes. As you can hear them cooing and clucking at each other. Get a little closer. Just, come on, let me have some. There sure is a pecking order, I'll tell you. Love the grapes. It's cool. It's a little sweet. They only have 16 taste buds. Yeah, that's not very many. But it's cool. It's good on their tongues. Yeah, oh, they're just squealing. Oh. That's our video for today. Our chicken video. See you later. Love you, family. Subscribe. Bye.